Hi guys, this is Sultan Ali. Welcome to JDS Core. Now today I have come up a new tutorial, part 2 of basic illustrators. So without any forgets, let's get started the class. Now first of all, go to the AI file. After that click on the file and then new. And you have to choose user height as you need to create a new page and okay. Now before class I would say pen tool, selection tool, direct selection tool. Now today I will show you how to use pen tool, full pen tool, like add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, anchor point tool. I hope you got it, the same tool of the both tool. So now click on the rectangle tool, Alt plus Shift and drag like this. Close the stroke color and you can choose fill color as you like. And move. I have already been create this part. I have already been teach you in this next before lesson. So now you can click the pen tool, holding on the pen tool, the mouse left click and then select pen tool. Click on the artboard and drag like this. Click here. Go to the selection tool. Close the fill color and you can increase stroke drag like this. Just suppose you can add anchor in the stroke. So first of all click on the pen tool and choose the add anchor point tool. Now click here and here and here. Control plus for big the page. For erasing page, control plus or control minus for shorten the page. You have to follow attentively and select the anchor. So you can of the cursor key on the keyboard, right arrows, left arrows, down arrows, up arrows, cursor key. You have to try it several times. I hope you will be able to benefit it for using this stroke. So now you can select this anchor. Now you can delete the anchor. So click on the pen tool, holding on the pen tool and you can choose delete anchor point tool. Just click on the anchor and delete the whole stroke. I hope you got this process very easily. So now you can create stroke. You can create a stroke and you can add many anchors in the stroke. I would like to show you anchor point tool. This shortcut is Shift plus C. Shift plus C. You can choose this anchor and drag like this. Do not leave the mouse left button. Drag like this. You can select this anchor and drag like this. I hope you got the process very easily. So now I will create a new object in this tool. You can follow attentively. The rectangle tool and Alt press Shift and drag like this. You can choose direct selection tool. Click on the direct selection tool and drag like this. After that, click add anchor point tool. Click here and you can use cursor key on the keyboard, right side, left side, as you like. You can move the anchor everywhere in the artboard. Then you can select other anchor. So at first you must select the direct selection tool. Click here and you have to use cursor key on the keyboard. So now I hope you got the use of pen tool, direct selection tool. So now I would like to show you other tools. Today I will show you text tool of the whole part. So now click on the text tool. You can choose text type tool. Before class I have already been show you text type tool. If you would like to watch this class, go to the I button. So now you can click on the area type tool. I would like to show you how to use area type tool. So first of all, click on the ellipse tool or rectangle tool as you like. Now drag like this. Close the stroke color. Choose the fill color. After that, select the area type tool. Click here. Control A for select the text. And now you can reduce text size. You can reduce text size and type these texts do not outside of the object. Now I would like to show you ellipse tool. Select the ellipse tool and Alt plus Shift on the keyboard, holding on the Alt plus Shift of the keyboard and drag like this. After that you can select again area type tool and click this object and type Control plus A for select the text, and you can reduce the stroke. You can type this text will never outside. I hope you got the process. So now I would like to show you area type tool. What is area type tool? Just suppose you can select pen tool, then click and drag like this, drag like this. You can close the fill color, select click the selection tool, click the artboard, and then select the object, go to the fill color and close the fill color, none, and you can give the stroke color as you like. Now you can select the area type tool. After that you can select the text type tool. Type tool, area type tool, type on a path tool. Now I would like to show you type on a path tool. Select type on a path tool and you can follow attentively a sign. Click on the stroke, and after that you can type I hope you got the process. Text type tool, I hope you got the process. Now I would like to show you vertical type tool. Click on the vertical type tool and click the artboard, and you can type as you like. Control plus A, reduce the stroke or increasing the stroke as you like. Click on the selection tool, control minus. I hope you got the process. How to use vertical type tool, I hope you got the process. So now I would like to show you right now vertical area type tool. What is vertical area type tool? Just suppose you can select any object, you can select the object and choose the vertical area type tool. You can follow attentively, you can follow the path sign of the green color. I hope you follow. After that click, and now you can type vertical area type tool. You can type as you like. Now I'd like to show you area type tool. What is area type tool? Just suppose you can create any object. Now you can choose vertical, type on a path tool, then click here and you can type you can increasing the text. Control command A for select the text and go to the size for increasing the stroke as you like. I hope you got this process properly. Now I would like to create a logo in this tool, so you can follow attentively. First of all, click on a path tool. First of all, click on a rectangle tool or ellipse tool, you can select as you like. Just I would like to show you. Select on the ellipse tool. Alt plus shift and drag like this. Go to the text, area type tool, text on a path tool, text on a path tool, and now click here. You can type as you like. I hope you got the matter properly. So now I would like to show you task type tool in the next class. So you have to watch this class. You can subscribe the class. Okay, thanks for guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comments. Bye bye.